folks, welcome to Pine Badger Outdoors. Today, me and my boy, we're moving some snow. I'm going to pick up the grandkids, give them a ride in the old plow truck and see how we make out. This ain't a plow truck channel, but like I said, you never know what's going to pop up on my channel. This is part of living in Canada, moving snow. Stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, I'll give you a rundown of the old truck here. It's just an old 94 Chevy. If you ever hear me talk about Mary Jane, this is Mary Jane. And we've got a 7.5 foot Fisher on it with the snow foil. It's a minute mount. It's the old school one, like the old first version. And me and the wife, we built a little wooden box on it because it's kind of like our motorized wheelbarrow in the summertime. To keep it running well, it's an old 350 in it. It's the same engine as the Suburban I bought, so. And guess where these great big 10-ply tires are going? They fit right on that Suburban. So anyways, oh, here's one of my helpers. Oh wait, Grampy will put you in the other side. How's that? Are you cold? Here, give me your hand by this old plow here, okay, Ben? We got to walk way out around it to be safe. Grampy shouldn't have left it in the air. But that's another thing, guys, if you're familiar with plow and snow. Up here we get a... Oh, don't kick your boots off, baby. Here, let Grampy open the door. If you get a lot of rain and things like we do, it's hard to get a good base down. So today, kick your boots together, baby.
I brought big blankets here.
You did? Okay, just take a little seat, guys. Today we took the feet off of the plow right here, or shoes, whatever you want to call them. They were set at 3 inches, but I took them off today and it's doing a really nice job. So anyways, we're going to go plow the neighbor's yard, Diane, and we'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Maybe we'll get some shots of us plowing, me and the kids. Later, guys. Okay, guys, we got a little bit of inside action here going on. Now, I don't call it a lawn, guys. It's more like a golf course because it's
like it.
it's anything but flat. And this Fisher setup we run on this old truck is what I like to call the farmer setup. It's just normally I raise it on my way in, guys, but I'm running her with one hand. But yeah, I call it the farmer setup because it's just a valve bank and O-rings. So if you grew up on the farm or near a farm, well, Grampy's trying to say it's easier to fix yourself. Like, you know what I mean? There's no real electronics to this. This is the old school setup kind of thing. Now, I'm not knocking the newer stuff. It's just, that's what was on this old truck when we bought it. And this is why we call the old truck, guys, if you ever wonder, Mary Jane. Because no matter how cold and miserable it is, plowing snow, it is warm and dry in here, you see. So that's why we call the old truck Mary Jane. So anyways, I'm just going to stop the old girl here for a second. Turn the heat on for the kids. Woo! What was that?
I did not know.
The fan is getting bad in the old truck. And
That was
we're going to lower the blade. Okay, you stay put, okay? Don't touch a thing. Stay in your seat. You know the drill, huh? Grampy's just going to show everybody the lights. That was Grandpa's heater. Anyways, these are just the way I've got the old truck lit up. My old plow lights kind of gived on me, guys. And I had these old LEDs and some tin. And you know, you got to be up close to see it's, you know, it's redneck, but it works and there's plenty bright. Those little strobies I've had forever. And that's my team right in there. I bought these little buggers right here because, and I just put them on the two corners. And I'll tell you why, because when I plow sometimes I have to go out and that's the main road, so these are plenty bright enough. And they were super, super cheap. I got those off, these ones I got off Wish. They were crazy cheap. These I think were at Canadian Tire. These are just little reverse lights. And they're pretty freaking bright. And those lights up there are just, I think one of them left works. These were off Wish. These were super cheap, but this bar isn't tight, so that's probably doesn't help. And that light up there actually works, that remote deal, but I never use it. It's, and anyways, yeah. And believe it or not, guys, I want to show you this. Raise up the plow here. Beep, 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 beep. I think the only thing in this old truck that doesn't work is the radio. And I'm going to put the lock on the plow so it doesn't go down. It still has the lock on there. Yeah, I wanted to show you this because this has what you call a snow foil on it, which rolls the snow up over. But if any of you guys ever have trouble, even without this, if you ever have trouble with your snow sticking, I learned this off YouTube. This isn't one of mine, so I'm just going to share. And this still goes to, would apply to a snowblower. Those little handheld snowblowers we use up here. Pam cooking spray, guys. Lay the Pam cooking spray to it. I did last year a few times, and this year I haven't sprayed it once, and everything just flakes off it. Nothing sticks to it. And that's always what happens when you get just almost done plowing snow. I shouldn't bitch, I got my own plow truck, right? It could be worse, it could be a shovel. So anyway, guys, this is just a random little video that I'm shooting out today. It's probably not very long, but I had to take care of some business, and I haven't been out camping, guys, because I had to put my old Rottweiler doobie down, and you know, it's been a few days, and my brother Morris was with me, thank God, and it hasn't been easy for me after 14 years, so this little video is just something to say I'm still here, and that's kind of the reason why I haven't been out in the bush lately, because well, I haven't been in the mood. That's a big hit to me there. That's a big goodbye, or a see you later, you know, 14 years. A lot of camps. She wasn't scared of the wood stove in her day, I'll tell you that much. But anyways, guys, if you like my little videos, click the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I got my crew here today because Sophia knows how to run the power windows in the old truck, eh? That's right on. You taught her? Good job. Thanks, buddy.
And I brought 4 blankets.
You did, eh?
Yeah.
So, okay, guys, until next time, keep on camping with the Badger. Or plowing snow. Right, guys?
I don't want to plow snow.
I'll give you a shovel. See you later, guys. Take care.